Changing your verification method of Facebook can help enhance your account security. Follow these steps to update your verification settings. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Open your web browser or Facebook app and log into your account using your email or phone number and password. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page or the menu icon in the app and select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security and Login. Before changing your settings, use the Azure.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Update two-factor authentication. Look for the two-factor authentication section. Click on Edit next to it to change your verification method. You can choose to receive codes via text message, an authentication app, or other available options. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your new verification method. This may involve entering your phone number or scanning a QR code, depending on the method you choose. Once you have completed these steps, your verification method will be updated. Regularly check your security settings to ensure your account remains protected.